This is a bad news coming from Bangalore city of Karnataka that this person has committed suicide, and in the suicide note he has mentioned, I am unable to pay the loans, that's why I am taking this final decision to end the life. So here the problem which I think, because many people today message me, sir, see what is going on, people are committing a suicide. Let me tell you the reason behind it is that, again I will say, lack of awareness, because you have to understand that this Chinese loan app is not any loan app. You have not taken any loan. Whatever money you receive, that is not any loan amount, but people think it's a loan amount, we have to repay. Sometimes like to repay one loan app, 2 3, they get multiple loan app and they get into a trap and they think we have to pay in lakhs, and from where we will get the money. People also say something wrong about us, and they will also threaten you that we will leak your photo, we will defame you. In Bhopal also the same thing has happened. First thing, you have to understand that 7 days loan apps are completely banned. They are not any legal loan app. You have to understand that whatever money you receive or which actually you are supposed to pay, it is not any loan amount. People commit suicide. The reason is that because they think from where we will get the money, and ending the life is a solution, or they think that no one is helping. Let me tell you, for this everyone is responsible, whether it's a police, it's a family member, contact, because people have to cooperate them, people have to help them, that nothing wrong they have done. Actually they are a victim of a cyber fraud. Anyone can become a victim, so nothing wrong they have done. So you have to cooperate them, you have to help them in whatever way, because you people started blaming, okay, you have taken a loan, you are supposed to repay, and that is the reason. We are here to make you people aware that please don't get panic, please don't repay them. They are completely fake, they are completely banned, they are completely illegal, nothing they can do. Only they will blackmail you on the name of calling, messaging to your contact list. So in that situation, what you have to do, complete solution our lawyer will going to provide you, so that you don't have to worry about their repayment or their blackmailing call, message to you or to your contact list, where to raise a complaint against them, what are the preventive steps you have to take in this matter. Complete solution our lawyer is going to provide you. Just WhatsApp us the name of the app and get a complete solution. किसी भी फेक ऐप से आपको डरने की, परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये कम्प्लीटली चाइनीज़ ऐप है, आपको समझना होगा. आपने कोई लोन नहीं लिया, ये कोई लोन ऐप नहीं है. जो पैसा आया है वो कोई लोन अमाउंट नहीं है. केवल ये आपको ब्लैकमेल करेंगे. इनसे कैसे बचना है, क्या करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको लॉयर के द्वारा बताई जाएंगी, जिससे ना पैसे देने का टेंशन, ना कॉन्टैक्ट में फ़ोन, मैसेज या बदनामी का, कहाँ कंप्लेन करना है, अपने बचाव में क्या स्टेप लेना है, सारा कुछ आपको एडवाइस किया जाएगा. आप भी परेशान हैं, कांटेक्ट करें, हेल्प करें. फेक ऐप का रीपेमेंट ना करें. रिकवरी एजेंट से डरने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है.